This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to convert your Google Doc into a PDF. So I'm in Google Docs, just have some dummy text I found online right here and an image as well, just for the purposes of doing these conversion videos. So lots of different ways you can do this. But if you're actually inside Google Docs, it's very, very quick to just come up to File in the top left right here. So we click on File, we hover over Download, and then we have the Microsoft Word version, the doc version at the top, and we have a PDF document right here. So PDF document .pdf, you will click on that one, and just like that, your PDF will be downloaded to your downloads location as set by your browser. So you see, I'm on a Mac, the little icon just flew up there, which is a universal symbol that something has been downloaded. That will go to my downloads location, and your downloads location, depending on what browser you are on and what you have that set to. There's actually another way of doing this. If you want to be a little bit more granular, you can come up to the very top for File. So rather than hovering over Download, which is a perfectly acceptable way to do it, you could come down to the bottom for Print, and it will open up the print options. Now, rather than actually, sending this to a printer, we do have this option here, and by default for mine it is set as Save as PDF because I don't have a printer installed here on this particular machine. But if you don't see that there, you will click there and you will select Save as PDF. So like I say, it's on by default on mine, but you will select Save as PDF right here. And now you can be a little bit more granular here. You can change the margins, you can do pages per sheet, and you can also choose to just save as PDF, not print even, but just save as PDF certain pages. So we can click customized, and you can start to put the number of pages in certain ones. If you just wanted 1 to 5, and then maybe you also want 9 or something, you can put a comma in between and actually enter that there. It's just extra, I just thought I'd give you a little bit extra here rather than just how to easily convert. And you can even do odd and even pages only if that's something you want to do. Otherwise, you'll just be clicking on all and you'll save that, and that will save in really good quality, often in print quality, as a PDF. And again, you will find that in your downloads location. Hopefully you found this video. I've done a couple of different ways here on how to convert a Google Doc into a PDF, a .pdf file. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.